Hi there, we are moving on to the third chapter of our AI adventures. This time I used AI to generate an image of a boy starting from a large book. We got a variety of submissions, some of which were very unusual, as usual in AI. Such as a book featuring 5 air directions, a book with a barometric socket, single-volumed Britannica, a book made of puff pastry, a book made of crispy pastry, a 3-jointed book, a telescopic book, an inflatable book, and a kitty. And an infinite number of variations of images from AI's tireless generator. Out of the junk, I selected this one image that, with a little editing in Photoshop, would be perfect. First, let's release the character from the pixelated chaos of the background. Now reducing the volume of this hat, the back of which resembles a turtle card in size. And give it a dimension closer to a bugaboo. Alright, we're gonna fix up that messed up finger and get it looking right again. We'll proceed with importing a pair of bias of side hair borrowed from one of the elementary characters and customize them for the new character who will be using them. Some more lighting and finishes for the side locks and for the hat. Now restoring the background, let's give it a final finish. There is also the option of automatic background completion with the content aware fill. It's the little details that make an image look perfect, finishing the visor of the hat and the shadowing underneath. Lighting corrections and adding a shadow to the side hair, a shadow that will be cast on the face. Now let's insert a scan of 2 Gemara pages, which we will twist and round the shape according to the shape of the page of the Gemara, using the warp mode of the free transformation tool. There is a detailed video in which I explain how to perform this exact operation. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more exciting content in your session. Visit our website at jew10.com. Thank you, see you around.